This thing fully maxed out. How much horsepower does it make? With the same setup you got?
Well over 1,000. I mean, I can't tell you what I run.
Yeah. Oh! Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to today's video. This is Everything S550. I'm your host, Zach, and let's get on with today. So if you saw last video, you know I said that we were going to push the Mustang today. Now, unfortunately, the Mustang is not in the driveway right now. That is having something done to it as we speak, and you guys will see that in the next video. So please turn on post notifications so you guys know what's coming up. I'm super excited for you guys to see that. But right now, we are getting ready for tonight's car meet. We're going to a car meet. We're gonna rally there. And we're gonna have some fun along the way. So that means if I don't have the Mustang right now, that means we gotta take the Corvette. I am super excited to take the Corvette. Corvette has not been to any car meets yet, so this is breaking the car meet virginity of the Vet. So that is what we are doing today. But first, before we get into all of that nonsense, we got to go wash the car and prep it because it is its first meet, and we gotta get it looking amazing. So let's go grab the keys, park it in the center of the driveway, and turn on that hose and hose it down. Let's go. Keys, where would the keys be? I don't think it'd be in the fridge. Would it be? Maybe in the oven? Nope, not there. Microwave. Aha! Perfect. God, look at it's just a mess. I don't know if the camera's. Yeah, it's literally. It's a mess. We need to wash this. Check this out. I recently picked up these new floor mats. They say Grand Sport on them. We'll worry about the interior in a second.
Favorite part, soap.
Okay, she is officially car show ready. So let's fire it up, pull it back up, get it in the shade, have it kind of dry off a little bit and not get dirty, and then we'll head on out to the car show. Let's do it. But before we do that, I do have somebody joining me today on the car ride, and that would be Lydio. You guys know Lydio. He is super awesome. This is some of the crazy stuff we've done together. He wanted to ride in the Corvette today, so we're bringing him along with us. He's gonna ride shotgun, and we're gonna go have some fun and head on out. So I'm gonna go get cleaned up, and then we'll head out in a couple hours once the meet starts. So let's do it. Alrighty, so I am officially, we're all ready, we're all cleaned up. I'm going to load up my camera gear, and Lydia should be pulling up any second, so let's go say hi to him and get the ball rolling and head on out to this meet. I am super excited. I haven't been to a meet in a long time, and I want to see what everybody's cars are starting to look like after a little bit of progression. So, let's get started and head on out. Let's go. Good, what's going on? Oh yeah.
When it shifts?
Oh, it's so...
Forget it.
It just pops. I love it.
Car meat, here we come, baby. Hell yeah.
I give it 20 minutes before we get thrown out of this parking lot. There's already cops here.
Hopefully it's not like crazy. You know what I mean?
I don't know. I'm giving it 20 minutes. Pop the hood.
Pop it. Fuck it.
Yeah, I'm still wrapping this. I'm wrapping that side tomorrow.
Yeah.
I haven't had a chance to do anything else.
That'd be sick.
Last time I saw it, it was covered.
Yeah, it was the spot. Yeah, but I had to take it out to wrap that to do that side tonight, and then I gotta put my wheels on Friday. Cause I still haven't finished my center console yet. I haven't finished that. I had to take my door panel off to fix myself, and then I take that one off and I got it at the back. Yeah, the center console I did it myself. Pillars, door paneling, I do all that myself. The back I did, and then I had 3-piece wheels, the 17 by 12 and 17 by 13 going on this.
How do you fucking fit that screen in there, man? Can you turn it on?
Yeah, you want to check it out?
Yeah, fuck it.
To like download apps you can connect to your phone. It's
So sick.
You got navigation.
Okay, okay.
Is it cammed?
I got the, no, it's a ghost cam. I
Oh,
wish I had real cams.
dude,
but
it sounds killer.
yeah, it's just the tune that makes it sound like that. So yeah, I got the cold air intake, 4 performance intake manifold, headers, straight pipe with cats, and a tune.
It sounds awesome. Oh, there's a Corvette.
It's also a Z06. That doesn't mean shit. The fact that he has twin turbos is what makes it.
Oh,
Yeah, 3? Z06 turbos? Probably. I'm only putting 5 at the wheel.
fuck.
Fucking turbo.
Yeah, 3 intakes.
Yeah, that's why I assumed 3. How many horses? Like, a lot. Does this Texas?
1, 2, and 3. First is 650. First setting. Second setting's like 750. The tires, and then setting 3 is well over 9. Setting 4 is well over 11. 5 and 6 are you have a lot of money in your pocket and you find out.
I was spot bike all my life, and then I was a kid, and then
You drove one?
and then no, I didn't drive one until 1998. My brother was like, "Get a Corvette."
That's the year I was born.
The Z06 is fucking nuts. I need this.
My first one was 98. Yeah, I bought it in 98.
Fuck.
Oh, shit. That's a new thing. That's a new thing these days.
That's a pop.
Popcorn.
Pop, pop, pop.
Oh man, that was driving me nuts.
That's what we're doing next, is the black badging. Video, what do you think? Pulling the chrome badges off and doing the black ones.
Ooh. Yes.
Black on black would look fucking
look
sick.
ghosted.
That's what we're doing next, is the blackout badging. Fuck. That looks good. That with the tints. Murder it out, change the rims. It wouldn't even be a close race.
No.
It would be fucking miles down the road before I even get out a second.
This one's pushing well over 1,000.
Dude, that's nuts. 1,000 horsepower Z06 versus what, a 500 grand sport? Literally double. That's intense. This thing fully maxed out. How much horsepower does it make? With the same setup you got?
Well over 1,000. I mean, I can't tell you what I run.
Yeah. That's kind of
It's basically 3 says cars.
Yeah.
That's fucking nuts.
And it's gonna be well over when they're done making my intake.
Yeah.
I'm doing nitrous next.
Oh! You want to give it a rev for me?
Come on, give it some gas. It does sound nice, but I was hoping he would hit it. Alrighty, we're about to head out, so I'm gonna end the video right here. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.